We met them because of an endorsement. As you all know, kami po ay parehas na endorser ng TM. And pandemic po noon, so during the, parang, kasi requirement po sa Pilipinas na kada galaw nyo may swab test. So nagkasabay po kami mag-swab test.
Ikaw yung nag-swab siya?
Hindi. So, nung na-meet po namin sila, sobrang mahihain po sila eh. Sobrang mahihain po sila nung una. So ako parang, tahimik naman mga to. So nagpakilala po sila sa amin na, hi, kami. Sila po yung nagpakilala sa amin. Oo, kami po yung nahiya. Hi, kami yung SB19. Sabi ko, may mahiya sa amin, pare-pares naman tayo nagpa-plastikan dito.
Icebreaker.
Oo, dun yung naging icebreaker namin. Nagtawa na kami lahat. And then, sa lahat po ng naging projects namin with TM, sila po yung katag team namin. So I remember, nung time na yun, hindi pa sila sobrang sikat. Nagsisimula pa lang din sila. And
parang napanood natin yung ano nila, yung Go Up.
Yeah,
Sila nakilala.
Oo, napanood namin yung guesting nila ng Go Up.
Hindi, yung video nila sa rooftop. Sa rooftop na? Yung video nila sa rooftop ng Go Up.
Tapos?
Yeah.
pero before that, sa totoong buhay po, nakita na namin sila sa I Want ASAP. If you know the I Want I Want ASAP during that time. ASAP Chill Out yata. Oh, but if you know that ASAP Chill, yeah, their first like ASAP performance, we were there on the same day. We were also back to back with them. So anyway, I remember nung time na yon, siguro dahil nagsisimula pa lang din sila, kami medyo matagal na. I remember binili namin sila ng taping chair. Yung, alam niyo yung folding chair pag taping? Oo, binili namin noon kasi nakikita namin, wala tayo, pagkapahinga, nakahilata tayo, nakaganon tayo, sila nakaupo lang. So binili namin sila ng taping chair. Tapos, I remember, in-invite namin sila sa Bulacan. So, si Stel, si Pablo, si Jan natutulog sa lapag namin kasi di naman po malaking bahay namin. So lahat po kami nakalatag lang po. Sa sahig, ganyan. And then our friendship grew. We were able to share our lives, really, their struggles, their dreams as well. How to work as a group dahil ibang challenge din po ang pagiging part ng isang grupo. So we are privileged enough to have a front row seat of what's happening in their lives. And until now, we maintain that very good friendship. For instance, si Steph, one text away, mag-respond sa akin, ganyan. Si Jan din, actually, all of them. So yun po, it's because of that endorsement, but also, binuksan din nila yung buhay nila sa amin. So, yun, nagkagala-gala namin sila nun sa Bulacan. Nag-Siargao pa kami together, ganyan. Pero, hindi din po natapos lang sa parang, okay, kinaibigan namin sila. They were really also a blessing to us. In fact, in one of our music videos, the song called Salamin, si Stel po yung naging main artist namin doon. At hindi po kami nahirapan na i-invite siya. In fact, yes po siya agad. And even yeah, may mga niluluto kami. We can't reveal that, but we are still in close conversation with them. Even kay Kuya Yani. Ayan. So talagang napamahal po sa amin itong mga batang ito. At tinuturing po namin talaga silang kapatid. Maybe not by blood, but by heart.
Wow!